Yo, what's up guys? Look at this. I got the new switch to replace that one that's going out. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This shit cost me like 14 bucks on eBay. We're gonna see how good this shit works. Go ahead and start taking this shit off. So first we're gonna remove this bracket right here of the door. Let me see. Should have a little. Oh, that shit's dirty. A little flathead. Maybe I might not need it. Nope, never mind. Don't need it. You don't even need a flathead. Let's take this plastic off. Oh shit. There you go. Plastic comes right off. Now we got a bolt up here and down here. These look to be 10 millimeter. Go get a wrench. Bet. Got the impact. Take this one off. Boom. One bolt. And boom. Next one. And this should just slide right out. Bet. So you already took this bracket off. Now this should just come right off. There you go. From here, just start unplugging everything. Okay, so we got it off. We got wires right here. We're gonna start unplugging. This is the actual bracket we're gonna take off, which we're gonna replace with this one right here. Show you what the truck is doing. In case you guys have any of these symptoms. Okay. Just turn that on. You see? And then if I do the other side, I'm clicking it. I'm pushing down, and it's not working. So. Okay, so basically, that's what it's doing. So we're gonna have to start by taking. Yeah, you basically just press on that. This one, and you might as well do this one because you want to take the whole back of the piece off. Boom. Now you can see it. It's gonna go ahead and unplug them. See, press that in. There you go. Boom. We got it off. Now let's take it to the bench and do it over there. I took it over here. Basically, you see this is the original piece right here. This we're gonna switch out. I don't know how many times I gotta repeat it, but so you basically just look at it. You see that part, we're gonna have to take it off, but it's holding by clips all over the place. So it should be 4 clips and it should come off. Hard because this is a delicate piece. I can see what I'm doing. Thus, you see, I barely unclipped it, but I want to make sure I'm still holding it. Now go to the other side. Do the same thing. Boom. Okay. That's whole part. Now let me just show you a comparison. See what's up with this. I mean, so new, old. As you see, we're about to get to that video. I'm letting the truck cool down, but see, it's a big ass difference. Honestly, I don't know why this shit failed. I mean, it has no discoloration right there, no discoloration right there, but I don't know, honestly. That don't matter. We got the brand new one. We gonna test this shit out, see if it works. Now to put it back in, honestly, same way. That's, oh shit, I forgot to check. Okay, yeah, same part. Just make sure they're aligned with the clips. Push it down. That easy. Let me see. Oh shit. Gotta be a little harder, I guess. That clipped in. That clipped in. This one hasn't clipped in, but I'm gonna see if I can adjust it. Just make sure you keep it flat. Boom. Piece in. Check it out. Thus. I'm not gonna lie. It feels sturdy. I'm not gonna lie. There's a big difference between the actual original one. But it. Damn. Unless you don't like that clicking shit, I mean, I guess. Let's go ahead. Take it back to the truck, and this should be really simple. I bet y'all. You got the piece. Literally, like last time. Make sure to connect this last plug. Y'all can't really see it, but it's basically this plug that goes back here for the unlock the doors. I would recommend plug that in first, just because you know, you never know. There you go. Perfect. Plug in the main harness. That's. There you go. Okay, all of them in. Now I would recommend test them. Test it before you put it in. So I'm finna do it now. This shit. Boom. Now we go ahead and test it. Okay. But as y'all see, switches are fine. Obviously, I know these are gonna work fine. Time to test these out. Let me see. Do they light up also? Oh damn, they do light up also. Okay. Let's check this one first, because this one's perfect. Now let's test the other one. Perfect. So if your windows are not trying to go up and down, mainly it might not even be the actual window regulator. It might just be your switches, honestly. Okay, so let's just put it back together. Shut this off. Oh shit, I locked myself in here. Make sure I don't hit that shit. So you see that's a little holes I was talking about. Just go ahead and grab your, let's see, your shit back. That's, you can't even put it wrong, literally. That's, start with your bolts. Don't ever do it with an impact first. First, make sure to thread in. Don't fucking just full send it. Just get it to the point where, like I said, just tightening it. Because you don't really need that much. Even though it is the door handle. Yep, just feel it. Perfect. Now grab your little cover. I always start from the bottom. Well, I don't know if there's an exact way to put it on, but I'll start from the bottom. That's. It should be on. There you go. And that's how you switch that out. Very simple. Don't even have to do much. Now let me go ahead and turn it on. Sick shit. On command. I don't have to worry about fucking my windows getting stuck. But yeah, that's it. But yeah, guys, that's literally it. That's all you have to do to actually replace these. Ain't really much else. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Peace out.
So, picking up where I left off, where I'm at now. Me, I haven't lost a step.